Morning everyone. My name is Yogadarshan. I am studying 7th standard B section at GHSS Vedalai.
Good morning everyone. My name is Ritish. I am studying 7th standard B section at GHSS Vedalai.
Today I am going to explain my project on organic mulching in agriculture. Farmers face many challenges like soil erosion, water loss and weed. One simple and eco-friendly solution is organic mulching. In my project, I will show how this method helps improve soil health and increase crops yield naturally. What is organic mulching? Mulching is the process of covering the soil with a layers of natural materials to protect it. There are two types of mulching: organic mulching, inorganic mulching. In focus on mulch, organic mulching because it improves soil fertility and is environmentally friendly. How my model work? Now let me explain how my model work. Soil preparation, applying mulching, water conservation, weed control, improving soil fertility. Benefits of organic mulching: save water, prevent weed, improves soil health, protect soil from erosion. Because of the benefits of organic mulching is a greater method for sustainable farming. Conclusion: my project show how this method work and why it is important for future of agriculture. Thank you.
Yeah.